How to edit your pictures through Telegram. So in this tutorial, I'm going to tell you how you can edit your pictures through Telegram. So this is a very useful and very new update that we are seeing nowadays on Telegram. So all you have to do is just click on the Telegram app, and actually you're using a Telegram bot to do that stuff for you. So you just have to click on the search icon and type over here AI background remover bot. So this is a built-in bot that the Telegram community made. Here you can there are multiple other like AI background remover bot portal or background remover AI bot. Personally, which I like is this AI background remover bot. It's very easy to use and very handy. So you can just click on that, and here just click on start, and now they're gonna tell you that they're artificially intelligent background remover, and you can just send them the picture of anything of which you just feel the need of removing the background. So just send them the picture and they will just automatically remove the background for you. So this was how you can edit your pictures through Telegram.